Good morning, this is your daily outlook for Monday the 12th of September. The euro plummeted against its major counterparts during the European session on growing fears about Greece's condition. Talks about a Greek default weighed on the single currency, which spurred Eurozone debt contagion fears. On Friday, Jürgen Stark announced that he's resigning from the European Central Bank as a protest to the bank's bond purchases. Against the US dollar, the euro dipped to a 7-month low at 135.36 from 139.36. Against the Japanese yen, the euro fell to a 10-year low at 104.27 from 107.99, a decline of 3.4%. The US dollar edged higher against a basket of currencies on heightened risk aversion in the market, with the Swiss franc losing its safe haven appeal and Japanese yen weighed on by fears of an intervention by the Bank of Japan. Investors now turn to the US dollar. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback fell to 77, down from 77.85 trading on Friday. Against the Swiss franc, the dollar rose to 0.8909 from 0.8705. The Australian dollar dropped against the greenback on Friday as concerns Greece may default put high-yielding currencies under pressure. Further weighing on the Aussie is data showing that Australia's trade surplus unexpectedly narrowed in July. Today the pair extends its gains, declining as low as 103.22 from 106.34. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices tick lower to $85.23 a barrel from $89.47. Gold fell to $1,823.35 an ounce from $1,885.75, and silver shed 4.5%, dropping to $40.75 an ounce from $42.68. Let's have a look at the currencies to watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 136.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 136.40. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 77.35. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 104.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 104.25. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 159 with a preference to enter into short positions at 158.90, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9950 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9950. Now, looking at commodities. The oil pivot point is at 86.35 with a preference to enter into short positions at 86.35. The gold pivot point is at 1870 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1870. And the silver pivot point is at 42 with a preference to enter into short positions at 42. On today's calendar, we have no major economic data expected. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative on Friday with the S&P 500 down 2.67% and the Dow was down 2.69%. European bursts were also negative with the FTSE down 2.35%, the DAX was down 4.04% and the CAC was down 3.60%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 2.25% and the Hang Seng was down 3.97%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.